Struggling to pack light for your fall trips without sacrificing style? Wondering how you can possibly fit all your cozy sweaters, stylish boots, and must-have accessories into just a carry-on? In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate packing hacks that will make your fall travel a breeze. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. And if you stay tuned until the end, I'll reveal a secret tip that seasoned travelers swear by. A game changer that will completely transform your travel packing experience. First up, let's talk about layering basics. The key to staying warm without overpacking is versatile layers. For example, a plain white long-sleeve tee is a must-have. It can be worn alone or layered under a sweater or jacket. I love pairing it with a cozy cashmere sweater for a chic but warm look. And don't forget a versatile cardigan, perfect for those slightly warmer fall days. So, imagine you're strolling through a pumpkin patch. You start with a white tee and cardigan in the morning, and as the day gets cooler, you add that cozy sweater. By evening, you're wrapped in the cardigan again, sipping hot cider. It's like having 3 outfits in one day, and you're still looking fabulous. And let's not forget the benefits of layering when you're in transit. On a chilly plane, you can start with your tee, add the sweater if it gets colder, and use the cardigan as a blanket. This way, you're comfortable and prepared for any temperature changes. Next, multifunctional outerwear. A stylish trench coat is a game changer. It's not too bulky, keeps you warm, and can be dressed up or down. Plus, it's perfect for unexpected fall showers. Picture this. You're off to a fall festival, and the weather app says it might rain. Instead of lugging around a bulky raincoat, your trench coat does the trick. And when the sun comes out, you're not stuck looking like a drenched cat. Plus, you can wear it to dinner afterwards and still look chic. And here's a bonus. Trench coats usually have plenty of pockets. Perfect for stashing your phone, wallet, and even a small umbrella, so you're hands-free to enjoy the festivities. Tip number 5. Versatile bottoms. When it comes to bottoms, go for versatility. For autumn travel, I always pack a pair of dark wash jeans and black leggings. Dark wash jeans are perfect for casual outings and can be dressed up with a nice top. They're thick enough to keep you warm during those crisp fall days, but still breathable enough for comfort. Black leggings, on the other hand, are great for layering and provide that extra warmth and flexibility, whether you're on a plane or just lounging at your accommodation. Think about those long flights or road trips. Leggings are your best friend. They're cozy, stretchy, and don't restrict movement, making them ideal for sitting for extended periods. You arrive at your destination, switch to jeans for a city tour, and boom, you're ready for anything. Jeans can even handle a surprise dinner date. Just add a chic blouse and you're set. Plus, jeans are super durable. Whether you're hiking a scenic trail to see the fall foliage or exploring a new city with its cobblestone streets, they're up for the challenge. And leggings? They're perfect for those early morning yoga sessions with a view of the autumn sunrise, or just lounging in your hotel room with a good book by the fireplace. They're also great for layering under skirts or dresses for added warmth without bulk. Tip number 4, mix and match tops. Bring along 3 versatile tops, a flannel shirt, a chic blouse, and a comfy knit sweater. These tops can be paired with your jeans or leggings to create multiple outfits. Plus, adding a patterned scarf can instantly elevate your look. Here's a little secret. Flannel shirts are not just for lumberjacks. They're perfect for those crisp morning hikes or apple-picking trips. Pair it with jeans for a classic look or leggings for that cozy, I just woke up like this vibe. And the chic blouse? That's your go-to for fancy brunches or spontaneous Instagram photo shoots. And let's not forget the knit sweater. Perfect for snuggling up by the fireplace or taking a leisurely stroll through a fall market. It's like a warm hug that you can wear. Tip number 3, stylish yet comfortable footwear. Footwear is crucial. Pack 1 pair of ankle boots and 1 pair of comfortable sneakers. Ankle boots are perfect for dressing up your look, while sneakers are great for daytime exploring. Let's be real, no one wants to hobble around with blisters. Ankle boots give you that stylish edge for nights out, while sneakers are your BFF for those endless days of sightseeing. You get the best of both worlds without needing a suitcase just for shoes. And here's a pro tip. Make sure your shoes are broken in before your trip. The last thing you want is to spend your vacation nursing sore feet. A couple of days of wear at home can save you a lot of pain later. Tip number 2. Compact accessories. Accessories can change the vibe of your outfit instantly. A couple of scarves, a pair of statement earrings, and a versatile belt can take your outfits from day to night effortlessly. Picture this. You're going from a casual lunch to a fancy dinner. A simple scarf and some bold earrings can turn your daytime look into an evening-ready outfit. It's like magic. Minimal effort, maximum impact. And they barely take up any space in your carry-on. And don't underestimate the power of a good belt. It can cinch in a dress, add shape to a cardigan, or even spruce up a pair of jeans. It's the little things that make a big difference. Now, for smart packing techniques. Use packing cubes to maximize space and keep your carry-on organized. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and reduce wrinkles. Here's a useful tip. Rolling your clothes not only saves space, but also keeps them wrinkle-free. This means you can pack more efficiently and still have clothes that look fresh and ready to wear. No more worrying about looking like you slept in your suitcase. And packing cubes? They're a game changer. You can separate your outfits by day or type, making it super easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. It's like having mini drawers in your suitcase, keeping everything neatly in place. What not to pack? Avoid bulky items like heavy coats or multiple pairs of shoes. Stick to items that can be layered and mixed and matched. We've all been there. You pack that one just in case heavy coat, and it takes up half your suitcase. Instead, opt for lighter layers that you can combine to stay warm. A few sweaters can do wonders and take up much less space. As for shoes, resist the urge to pack multiple pairs. 1 pair of stylish ankle boots and a comfortable pair of sneakers will cover almost all your needs. Trust me, you're not going to miss those extra heels or bulky boots when you're trying to zip up your bag. Remember, less is more. Focus on packing smart and efficiently, so you have room for any special items or souvenirs you might pick up along the way. As promised, here is the special tip that will revolutionize your fall travel wardrobe. Always pack a packable down jacket. It's lightweight, incredibly warm, and can be compressed to fit in a small space. This jacket can keep you cozy during those unexpected cold spells, and is perfect for layering over your fall outfits. Trust me, this is a lifesaver. You can pull it out when it gets chilly, and it barely takes up any space when you don't need it. It's like having a warm hug in your bag. Who doesn't want that? I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite fall destination? And what's your favorite fall travel outfit? Share your best tips and outfit ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you will definitely love this next one too.